Good morning, YTPC. Saturday morning, as always, like a broken record. Back out in the shop on this fine Saturday morning. Sun coming up, coffee going down. Gonna try another one today. I don't think I've ever had this one either. Cornell and Diehl Night Train. Bright flue-cured ribbons and flakes combined with smooth Cavendish, robust burley, spicy Perique, pressed into old-fashioned crumble cake for a truly satisfying smoking experience. We all know their crumble cakes are. But mainly I bought it for the spicy Perique. Let's give this a crack and see what we got. Wait for it. Jesus. Half the weight right there. Give me one little brownie and one more little chunk. Smell some citrus. You smell a little bit of like grapefruit. The brownie or crumble cake will just pull right apart. It's wet. I'll let this dry a little bit and give you my honest thoughts. We're back. I've been smoking this for about 10 minutes. I was digging through my collection. This is one of the first bent pipes I ever made. Look at it! It's back from 2012. It was a reject pipe and I kept it for myself. And as you can see, I've never even really smoked the thing. The spicy Perique is definitely there. There's some sweetness. I'm not sure if it's the burley or the Virginia that's adding to the flavor of the Perique, but it appears to be a well-blended tobacco. As all their blends, of course, with the crumble cakes, you just pull them right apart, but I like this tobacco. I'm not sure if I've ever had this or not. If I have, I definitely know I didn't review it. I definitely would buy it again. It's on the robust side. Full flavor, it's what I like. Trying to think. I've had some more questions and comments the last couple weeks. People thanking me for my genuine video reviews and not trying to be influenced by other people. And that's the way everybody ought to be. I mean, why should you just say you like or don't like something just because the crowd likes them? That's just nonsense. You like what you like. I'm just a straight shooter. I'm not a fancy guy. Very nice. It almost reminds me of another Cornell and Diehl blend. I'm getting some sour notes as well. Nice blend. Definitely will do some good being out of the tin now, put in a mason jar for a while. But like I said, it does need to dry out some. The Boswell meetup. I've asked several people to come up with a date, and nobody really wants to come up with a date, so I'm just going to pick a date. The second Saturday in November. I believe it's the 12th, if I'm not mistaken. The second Saturday in November. Leave your comments below if you can make it. I've asked several people, and nobody really wants to give me a definitive answer, but everybody says that they most likely can make it. So let's go with the second Saturday in November. I believe it's the 12th. If that'll work for you, leave your comments below. There's a lot of people been asking, a lot of new people that we've never met before at these meetups. So that's going to be cool. Like I said, I'm in West Virginia, and it takes me almost 4 hours one way to get there. So if you're in that immediate area, trust me, it's worth the trip. We'll just all sit around in the lounge, look at the pipes, maybe buy some tobacco. Well, he has a big upstairs lounge area. He opens up his collection, his private collection upstairs. JM has a private stash of all his old pipes and memorabilia. It's a real nice time, and what we usually do is we'll sit there and BS for a few hours, and those of us that can still stick around will go to an early lunch or late dinner, or late lunch, early dinner type thing, and we'll get on our ways. Definitely would buy this again. It's weird, after the first third of the bowl, I'm starting to pick up them sour notes as well. Not that it's a bad thing. And gotta remember as well, this pipe is basically brand new. It's hardly been smoked, so it's not even broken in. I'm gonna definitely smoke another bowl later in my cob. But definitely 2 thumbs up. Hope everybody has a great weekend. I'm off until Tuesday because of the holiday Monday. So I will make another video either tomorrow or Monday. I'm going to do another review. I'm probably going to crack one of them Burley Flakes. Definitely on the sour side. It's strange how it transitioned. I mean, it's still sweet too, but I'm picking up a lot of sour notes. Leave your comments below. Talk to you boys and girls later.